Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a super colorful holographic mani, kind of retro. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first, I'm gonna apply my base coat to protect my natural nails. And then I'm gonna go with this base color. This is Toe Beans from Holotaco. This is a very light holographic polish. It also has pink shimmer. It's very beautiful. And here's with one coat. I recently did a review on this polish and I also tested for stamping, so I will link it on the description below so you can check it out. So I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this polish and then I'm gonna do the stamping. I'm gonna be using this clear jelly stamper plate 241, and it has a lot of geometric figures, so I'm gonna be using those along with the stamper and a scraper, which is my favorite by now. So I'm gonna start with this purple and this circular shape, this swirl. I wanted to show you this because as I'm recording the video, I waited too long before transferring to the nails, and the polish dried on the stamper, so the last part of the swirl didn't transfer properly. So I tried to fix it. I grabbed some tweezers and I just removed that part. Unfortunately, there was a line that stayed there, so I'm just gonna incorporate that line in the other nails as well, so it will look as a part of the design. So now I'm doing this other figure. I think the fun idea of this design is that you can mix whatever you have on your stamping plates. Honestly, there's so many stamping plates that are beautiful and they have these little designs and sometimes you don't know how to use them. So this is a great idea, I think, to combine them together. So here I'm just adding some extra lines to the design. Then for the next nails, I'm just gonna alternate the colors with the figures. This is a new figure that I also found in that plate. So I'm just gonna fill the blank spaces and I'm just gonna add in this nail an orange color that I think it will look amazing with the other. So I recommend you clean up your borders with Scotch tape, because these are all stamping polishes, so they're very pigmented and they can stain your skin if you use a brush and acetone. I really like to clean them up with Scotch tape, or you can apply liquid latex also. So here I'm just alternating the colors and the figures and it look already amazing. So then I'm gonna apply my smudge free top coat, as these are stamping polishes, and then the gel setter just to give that shiny look at the end. So this is the final result. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.